What's up, guys? Preston Cave here with PAC Aerial Applications. We have dug the old antique out. We haven't flown her in a while. DJI T40. We are fixing to take the spray tank off of this and make a trampoline recovery. Got my daughters a 14-foot trampoline for Christmas, only to have it blown away 3 days later. We had some heavy winds come in and it's actually blown off back behind our shop in an old pond and a briar thicket. So stay tuned. It's going to be a fun event trying to dig this trampoline out with the old DJI T40. We have our fancy suspension kit here. We cannot afford a fly cart system, but we got our ratchet strap run back through itself here. We've run it over, looped it around the frame, back over to this side, and tied it off over here. We're going to take our 40-foot rope. That's going to put it in the middle and hope we're not going to crash. We got one thing we got to worry about is all this loose rope, the drone sucking all the rope in there and causing a problem. So we'll have to figure that out, but we're going to take it outside and figure it out.
Aircraft preparing to take off. Stand back at a safe distance. Takeoff. Home point recorded.
Well, guys, we got the old T40 out, recovered a trampoline, and didn't crash. So that was our main objective, to keep everybody safe and get this T40 back in the shop all in one piece. So really glad that you guys have hung out with us to watch this video. We got a lot more videos that we're going to be editing throughout the winter. So keep a close eye out on our YouTube page to see what we've been doing this year in the air. Thank you, guys.